We're seeing active weather in the Atlantic provinces. It will clip Nova Scotia tonight, and then Newfoundland going into Sunday, bringing with it a lot of that snow. So wet snow begins tonight in Nova Scotia, and then Newfoundland, that snow begins pre-dawn. So again, we do have our eyes on that storm, bringing a lot of that snow and precip in terms of rain as well. Ontario, we're seeing the system make its way through, but it is a weak system by nature, so it will only bring about 5 centimeters, if that, through London to Toronto over the next little while. There is a slight break on the Sunday morning until the next system makes its way in Sunday afternoon. The prairies, though, wow, they are above seasonal right now. Certain areas like Regina, Medicine Hat are seeing double-digit temperatures. If they hit 11, they've broken that temperature record. Now along the coast, BC, we're seeing a lot of systems hitting along the sides. We do get a bit of a break going into our Monday, and then another system impacts Tuesday. Sobeys, plastic is out, paper bags are in. Weather in the Atlantic provinces as the system makes its way through. We do have active weather in the Atlantic provinces as the system makes its way through, impacting Nova Scotia. So the eastern parts of Nova Scotia, that snowfall picks up in intensity late tonight, and then it will impact Newfoundland going into our Sunday. So we are keeping our eye on this system. Now, in terms of the wind gusts, we could see over 120 km/h winds along the Avalon as this system makes its way through, and it does die down going into our Monday. So we are concerned of flooding, absolutely. The rainfall totals, well, St. John's could see up to 40 millimeters going into our Sunday. So again, we are keeping our eye on this system. Let's take a look at Ontario, a system making its way through tonight and bringing with it just a light dusting of that snow. Then we get a small break, and then by Sunday, we have another system making its way through. It won't impact our Super Bowl plans, I promise, but there will be a dusting of that snow up to 5 centimeters through London to Toronto going into our Sunday. So again, nothing too significant. Let's take a look at the prairies, where we are very mild and we continue to be above seasonal going into the next couple of days. Regina, if they break the 11-degree today, they will be breaking a record. And again, that is really the main story, as well as the wind gusts. So because that system makes its way through, the wind gusts are very dry and strong. We won't see a lot of that snow. We might see some of that snow to the north, but again, nothing significant through Calgary, Edmonton, etc. There is a flood advisory in BC, and we do have the BC Hydro with a message. In that Pacific moisture, this is a look at Abbotsford. Thank you, Emily, for sending this in. Heavy rain, even impacting and flooding farm areas. Now, in saying that, TransCanada has closed Maze Road through to Henry Road and also exit 6 Mackenzie Avenue. So please be careful. Even BC Hydro is alerting the community as well. So now what we're looking at in terms of precip going into Tuesday, now this is just showing till Monday.